shit. I don't know. I don't think Mommy wants to mess with that. You should probably not mess with that. Oh, she's getting strong. You see that, Grandma? She pushed that whole bag. Stand up. There you go. Let's walk. Take a step. Take another step. Take a step. Step. Take a step. Shoot!
I just put up the last roll of paper towels.
Okay.
Oh, okay, thanks. She making expressions? I can't see them.
What? Mama? Mama? Hi. Oh. Hi. Uh-oh.
That sounds like uh-oh to me.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Geez, I got these things hanging off the zebra. Zebra.
Yeah.
You still reading to her?
Yeah.
She liking it?
Yeah.
There's nothing to read here, is there? Brushing my teeth. Oh, 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 oh. Dracula's brushing my teeth. Oh, 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 oh.
His name's Count, Dad.
Count Dracula.
But they call him Count.
The Count. The
Yeah.
Count. Combing my hair. Hello, my name's Elmo. I'm combing
No.
my hair.
That's Abby McDabby.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, me cookie monster. Me like cookies, and I'm washing my fur.
Technically, he's Veggie Monster now.
Scrubbing my hands.
That's
We're healthier now, right?
yeah.
Elmo says,
There's nothing wrong with kids
scrubbing
having cookies.
my hands.
Squeaky
And
clean.
the Count says, I'm squeaky clean. Oh, 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 oh.
Just give me my book.
I think I did